Regular inspection and cleaning is one of the best things you could do to prolong the life of your HVAC system and prevent unwanted surprises. Today, I'm going to outline the top 7 things we look for on a typical maintenance visit. Drain pan. With a drain pan, we look for clogs and signs of corrosion, the most common contributors to overflow and water damage. Supply return valves. These valves shut off the water to the fan coil. We make sure there's no corrosion and that the seals are in working order. You have one at the bottom and one at the top. In some cases, you have them both at the top. Insulation. We check the manufacturer's coating is in good shape. The insulation is all in one piece and there aren't any signs of mold. Here, the insulation coating is already in bad shape. There's a lot of mold. Water coil. Here, we're on the lookout for dirt and leaks. Actuator and valve assembly. To control the flow of water through the coil, this valve's seals need to be free from excessive wear and leaks, and the assembly needs to be functioning properly. Blower motor. To blow air through the water coil and into your unit, these bearings and all electrical equipment needs to be working optimally, and the blower wheel needs to be fully intact and in balance. Thermostat. Here, we check for any signs of malfunction, things like dead display, failed relays, and failed contacts. At the end of every visit, we leave behind a resident's JPS Canada maintenance report, which highlights potential issues and along with recommended next steps. To book your next maintenance visit, call us at 1-844-JPS Canada.